Well, how the question which we're gonna look at in this topic, testing to establish the best course, is how we can ensure that a particular test meets the objectives of the course or for the purpose for which it's been designed. So, and what we know about the parameters, what are the principles or conditions on the basis of which we can say, okay, that this test is adequate for a particular type of language test. So these are the issues which we will briefly see here in this module. Well, in order to establish the best of a course or the testing progress, what we can see whether the test provides, it's motivating to the students, or it takes balanced approach about setting the deadlines. This is important here. I'm not, for example, if you are teaching in a modularized system or in a semester-based language teaching system, where you can negotiate testing with your students. And this is crucial because you can put your cards on the table and invite the students to see about the deadlines. There are certain things which are non-negotiable, but we can let the students negotiate about the word limit, about some flexibility within the deadline. So this will enhance the effectiveness of a test for a particular language course. So, secondly, to establish the best of a course, it should provide a standard level for the students, which means on the basis of which a language teacher can say, okay, this student needs to be moved up, or this student doesn't need, rather needs to be moved down, rather the student needs another session on a particular skill. For example, the students needs some more lessons in the area of listening skills. So this is the standard actually which we can use to establish the best of a course, and which also highlights the gaps indicating the wants, necessities, and needs of the students, right? So overall, how we can establish the best course in terms of testing is taking into account its significance for the progress of the students. So what I mean to say by progress of the students, whether we need to focus only on the main areas of the language program, or whether we need to leave the particular areas and ask the students to revise the overall design, overall course for testing. So this is how we can make some important decisions in terms of establishing the best of our course.